Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete multiple Instagram posts at the same time. So if you have a bunch of posts on Instagram and you would like to delete some of them, instead of doing it one by one on your phone, you can jump on to a website called Creator Studio by Facebook and take care of that. So you're going to go to the URL in the link in the description below. It's facebook.com/creator studio. Then you'll get redirected to the URL you see here, business.facebook.com/creator studio home. You could also type that in. Then you're going to have two options right here. One is a Facebook. You can log in with your Facebook account. I've done another video on how to schedule posts using this method. You can check it out in a card here. In addition, you can click on this little Instagram icon and then log in with your Instagram account. Now we have done that, so we'll go over here, and here I am, business.facebook.com, Creator Studio. I'm logged in to my Instagram account, so make sure to follow my Instagram, Spencer Kaufman 8, if you would like to. Thank you. Now, when you're here, you will see all of your different items. You'll see scheduled posts, published posts, etc. So let's say I want to delete some of these old posts that are kind of just generic that I'm not in. So I'll simply check the box. Let's check a few of these. You can do however many you don't want anymore. So if I do that many, I've got 8 selected, and I can just click this delete button. You won't be able to recover these posts once you delete them. Hit delete, and there we go. They are no longer there. So let's do this one here with the pineapple. Delete. And the one with the pineapple is now gone. So this is a really cool method for you to go through and delete any old posts on your Instagram account that you may not want anymore without having to scroll through them one at a time and do it that way. Now this is all content, so this would be everything, but if you wanted to specifically delete photos or maybe specifically video or the carousel type, you could go through, or maybe old stories that you want to delete, IGTV, you could go through and delete any of these that you don't want without having to spend time manually doing it one by one. So I really hope that this method has helped you out. Once again, it's Creator Studio. There'll be a link in the description below. You sign in with Instagram, and here is your Instagram account. Now, if you do sign in with Facebook, you'll just get an option up above to switch to Instagram. You can still do it that way if you like. So no matter what you do, you can get into your Instagram content and one by one select multiple posts to delete them. So it's a great time saver. If it's helped you out, put a comment down below this video telling me so. Also, if you would also subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, that would greatly help me out. In addition, click that bell icon to be notified for future videos. Until next time.